Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to enable developer options on Motorola Moto E14. So first open the settings. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. Now scroll down and tap on Build Number 7 times. After third tap, your phone starts to count, so keep tapping. And now you just fill your PIN. You are now developer. This message means developer options are unlocked now. If you don't have a PIN or lock screen set up, you will see the message you are now a developer immediately after the 7th tap. Now go to the main setting menu and tap System. And now tap on Developer Options. Inside developer options, you will find a lot of advanced settings. It's where Android keeps all the advanced tools, things like performance tweaks, animation controls, USB debugging, and options for customizing how your phone behaves. If you are just getting started, feel free to explore, but be careful. Some settings can change how your system runs. Once you are done experimenting, it's a good idea to turn the developer options off. Leaving it on can make your phone more exposed, and some banking and payment apps may refuse to run while developer options are enabled for security reasons. To do that, just toggle Use Developer Option switch off. Phone will ask you for restart, and after that hides the menu and keeps your phone secure. And that's all. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. Bye.